Are you struggling with a PDF player that just won't show the right title? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the P-media component in programming and how to customize that pesky header. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you have everything set up perfectly, but a small detail like a static header ruins the experience. You're not the only one facing this challenge. Here's the situation. One user asked, "Why does my PDF dialog always show the title dynamic content.properties?" They want to know if there's a way to customize that header. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's going on here? The default behavior of the PDF player is to pull the title from the properties file, which can be limiting. But don't worry, there are ways to override this and make it work for you. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To customize the header title displayed in the PDF dialog, the user can utilize the title attribute of the P2Media component. This allows for dynamic content to be shown based on the document being previewed. Next, the user should ensure that the mydoc.filename variable is correctly set to the desired title for each PDF document. This variable should hold the name of the PDF file being streamed. Additionally, if the user wants to set a default title when no specific title is provided, they can use a conditional expression to check if mydoc.filename is empty. Finally, after making these changes, the user should test the implementation by previewing different PDF documents to ensure that the header title updates correctly based on the selected file. Fun fact, did you know that the first PDF was created in 1993? It's amazing how far technology has come since then, but some issues still linger. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that this issue may be a bug in PrimeFaces. The user recommends checking PrimeFaces version 6.1, which appears to have fixed the problem. They also mention using default streamed content to set the content name, which can help customize the PDF title. In their XHTML code, the user shows how to implement the P-media component. By setting the value to the file stream, both the PDF viewer title and the download file name in Chrome will display as document.pdf. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. Another user faced a similar issue with the PDF header displaying as dynamic content.properties in Google Chrome, while it didn't appear in Internet Explorer 11. They explored several solutions to customize the header. They attempted to set a name in default streamed content, override media renderer to add a fixed name, and replace dynamic content.properties with a title parameter. However, these methods did not work as intended. Ultimately, they found success by adding a title parameter in the XHTML code for the P-media component. This allowed the header to display correctly, but it only worked with streamed content and required the .xhtml extension. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. This user suggests that the issue with the default header in the PDF player arises because the default streamed content loses the file's properties, such as the title and name. They recommend using a servlet to set the header, content type, and file name while downloading the PDF. They provide a code snippet for the servlet that handles the file retrieval and response setup. This ensures that the correct content type is set and the file is served properly. Additionally, they mention using a managed bean to construct the file path, which integrates with the PrimeFaces component for displaying the PDF. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your attributes in the code. A small oversight can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these simple adjustments, your PDF player should now display the correct title. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.